3 simple tips to manage cough in children. Basically, give good amount of water. Cough is mainly caused by dehydration, especially in viral infection. Give good amount of hydration. Hydration in itself will decrease cough. Next, give adequate amount of warm water. 1/4 glass warm water with 1 spoon honey, 1 spoon ginger, and a little bit of tulsi also can be added as a home remedy for cough. Acts as an excellent cough syrup in children, which is prepared ready-made in house. Third important, make the child sleep in prone position or side-on position. That will allow the child's cough to decrease by a significant effect. Thank you.